Today, we're diving into the world of at-home vitamin deficiency tests. In our fast-paced lives, monitoring our health has become crucial, and these tests offer a convenient way to stay proactive. But before we explore the top 3 at-home vitamin deficiency tests, let's understand why vitamins are essential for our well-being. Understanding vitamin deficiencies. Vitamins are essential micronutrients that play vital roles in our body's processes, from energy metabolism to immune system support. Deficiencies in vitamins like B12, D, and can lead to symptoms ranging from fatigue to more severe conditions like osteoporosis. Maintaining adequate levels through proper nutrition is key to overall health and vitality. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. And make sure to scroll down to the description for links to all the products mentioned. Now, let's dive back into the video. Benefits of at-home testing kits. At-home vitamin deficiency tests offer numerous advantages. They provide convenience by allowing users to test their levels without scheduling appointments or visiting medical facilities. Privacy is another benefit, as individuals can monitor their health discreetly at home. Cost-effectiveness is another advantage that makes these tests accessible to a broader audience, empowering individuals to take control of their health. Please be aware that the blood or hair sample needs to be shipped. Top 3. At-home vitamin deficiency tests for better wellness. 1. Everlywell Vitamin D and Inflammation Test Kit. A simple finger prick is all that is required for testing, and the results can be accessed online within a few days. However, users have reported that there are occasional anomalies in the results when compared to clinical tests. Users enjoy the user-friendly approach. 2. AFIL Food Sensitivity and Vitamin Test Kit. This easy-to-use kit requires only a small hair sample to test for food sensitivities, intolerances, and vitamin deficiencies without blood or needles. Get results in 3 working days via an online portal. Register, sample, and return the hair sample using a prepaid envelope. The kit uses biofeedback technology to analyze your cellular responses. 3. 5 strands. Nutrition Deficiency Test. Utilizes hair analysis to discover problems with nutrient absorption, thereby assisting users in making successful adjustments to their meals in order to achieve optimal nutrition. How to interpret results. To have a complete awareness of one's health status, it is essential to interpret the findings of at-home tests. Low vitamin levels can affect overall health, resulting in symptoms such as weariness or a compromised immune system. On the basis of these findings, it is recommended that you seek the guidance of a healthcare expert for additional recommendations regarding dietary adjustments or supplements. Precautions and Considerations. In spite of the fact that at-home tests provide useful information, they should be used in conjunction with routine medical examinations rather than in place of them. The consultation of professionals in the healthcare industry guarantees an all-encompassing strategy for the management and monitoring of health. At-home vitamin deficiency tests are valuable tools for proactive health management. They empower individuals to monitor and optimize their health conveniently and affordably. By understanding their nutritional status through these tests, people can make informed decisions to enhance their overall well-being. Remember, your health is in your hands, and with the right tools and guidance, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier life. See you next time! If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video. Be healthy and keep flourishing.